How are you, my students? Welcome to our lesson today. We are still in the topic differentiation. Differentiation is our topic. And in the previous lesson, we were looking at how to find the equations of tangents to a curve. Equations of tangents to a curve. When you are given the equation of a curve, for example, y is equal to 2x squared maybe plus 3x minus 1, and you want to find, and you have been given at a certain point, let's say at a point 1, negative 2, and you are told to find the equation of that tangent, we say the first thing is to get the gradient function. That's the first step. Find the gradient function. After finding the gradient function, find the gradient at that point, the gradient at the point given. Once you find the gradient, now you can take your gradient, then you have the point, for example in our case 1, negative 2, and then an imaginary point xy. Then from the formula m is equal to change in y all over change in x, you will be able to find the equation of that line. And we have seen that the equation of the tangent is in the form y is equal to mx plus c, which is the equation of a straight line.